Hey guys, John, Vapor Honing Technologies here today, working with some rusty valve springs. Yes, these springs are no longer usable. The point of the video is to show you guys how easy it is to remove rust and what to expect from a vapor honing cabinet. Both springs were in major horrible condition. You can see the pitting, the extreme rusting that's been taking place for years and years. And these are valve springs from a motorcycle engine, and I wanted to clean it up. We used a glass bead slurry to show you this example, and it removes rust very easily and very quickly, even on a spring such as this. I mean, you can get on the insides, you can get on the outsides. The flow-based nature of the vapor honing process allows the abrasive to go in the tightest of spots to clean, versus having to have direct impact on the particular part. For example, like shooting at the outside surface also goes inside of the area in the inner cavity here as well and cleans, not just on the outside. So that's another huge benefit. Again, we've talked about consistency many times in the past, how you can always get consistent results due to the lack of hot spotting, because you have all of this slurry flowing across these parts at any given time. So you have thousands and thousands of particles. But this was with glass bead slurry in a vapor honing cabinet. You could use aluminum oxide if you wanted to try to recover this part. Again, these are unsalvageable. Just wanted to show you how easy it is to remove rust from parts, because I know we get a million questions on a weekly basis about removing rust. Of course, if it's a rusty part, you're probably going to be recoating it. So we would recommend probably a more aggressive abrasive to do something like this. But again, this part's not usable, so I use glass beads to show you that it will also remove rust. So hopefully you guys liked the video. If you did, subscribe to our channels, like our content, and if you have questions about this application or any application you might be working with, give the sales team a call or shoot them an email. They're always here and happy to help. As always, thanks for watching.